Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to my kitchen. Thank you for stopping by my channel, and welcome to Sunny Sink Kits in Nevis. So today we're going to be making a Cobb salad. Most people know a Cobb salad of hard-boiled eggs, bacon, blue cheese, maybe some chicken. Today we're going to be putting shrimp on it with Za'atar spice. So that's kind of a Middle Eastern spice blend of sumac and sesame, and it's really going to elevate the dish. Stay with me. I'll walk you through the step from beginning to end. You're going to end up with a salad that will definitely impress your friends, your family, probably yourself. Let's get cooking. Get started. First thing first, let's hard boil the eggs. So pot. I'll make 2 salads, so 5 eggs. Cover it in cold water. So eggs are going. Next, we'll cook our bacon. Got a kind of nice cast iron pan here. You can cook it however you want. So you know, Cobb salad is traditionally chicken, bacon, blue cheese, some lettuce. So you know, the bacon is kind of crucial to this. So all of my vegetables are washed already. It's typically how I like to take care of vegetables when I buy them. Wash them in bunches, dry them, put them in the fridge, and then they're just ready to go when you grab them. So got kale, romaine, cucumber. So we're just gonna cut them into medium size for the salad. So we can start with any vegetable. We'll start with the cucumber. So you can see I got the bacon out of the pan. Just gonna let it cool down for a sec. It'll get crispier as it comes to room temperature. And we'll chop that up. In the meanwhile, let's cut some tomatoes. Hard-boiled eggs. You bring it to a boil in the pot, start it in cold water, you shut it off and you let it sit. 8 minutes is a good number for a hard-boiled egg. You go 7, it'll be a little bit softer. You go much more than that, you're gonna start getting kind of crumbly, not nice. So we're gonna run them under cold water. So that is textbook right there. That is a beautiful hard-boiled egg. Not overcooked, nada. All right, so I just finished peeling the shrimp, and you can see it. Rinsed, clean. Didn't take me very long. Just as I mentioned, I did it under running water. You may also notice I put a lot of the stuff in the tray in the fridge just because it's really warm here. So I only left out a few things that I think would be negatively impacted by it. So there's my shrimp. We're going to cook it in a moment. Just got one other thing to chop, the bacon, which we will do right now. My shrimp here, I've seasoned them generously with the Za'atar spice. I'm going to hit them with a little salt too. Okay, so sesame oil, decent amount, about 1 tablespoon. Move it around a bit. You can see when it's hot enough that the oil kind of ripples a little bit. It's not smoking. We don't want a smoking pan here. Seasoned shrimp, seasoned side down. You can hear it. Boom. Nice. Smells really nice. Za'atar is sesame and sumac, so it's going to give a nice nutty flavor, but also a kind of a citrusy flavor from the sumac as well. A little flip. Because these shrimp are peeled in the vein, you'll be able to tell real quickly when it's cooked. You can just kind of see it down the back. All right, we're there. Let's assemble this salad. So we'll take some kale, some romaine, maybe 2 eggs in this corner. Actually 1 egg, just cut in half, line of tomatoes, some parsley. You, my friend, are in business. Looks tasty, huh? Enjoy.